What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get or order your Revolut card. Also, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your homepage right here. So to order your physical card, you would need to go to the cards section right here in the upper right corner. Once you're here, you will be able to see all of your previous cards and an option to add a new card. So what you need to do is go and click on that option, add a new card. And here you will be able to see the physical card as the first option. So just go ahead and click on the physical card. And then you can swipe right if you want to select a different card, so a different plan card. For example, this card requires premium. This card requires plus plan, and so on and so on. So let's just go back to the standard one, the free one, and we can customize the physical appearance of our card by clicking on the customizable button right here. Now if you want to customize your card, you would need to pay additional €4 or I guess $4 to do that. So in this case I will just go with the usual card and I will click get card right here. Now here they offer you to customize your card again for $4, but I will just skip this. And you would need to create a PIN for this card, so the one that you would use to get cash from the ATMs. Now you would need to confirm it once more. And on this section you would need to select your delivery address. So select your country and select your address. Once you find your address, everything else will be automatically inputted for you. So from here, if everything looks alright, you would need to go ahead and click continue right here. And now you would need to choose the delivery method. So you have the standard delivery method for €6 and the express delivery for 20. So in this case, I will just go and stay with the standard method and click continue right here. And for the last step, all you need to do is just confirm and pay for the order. So just go ahead and click pay right here. And there we go. Your Revolut card is on the way. So that's guys how you can order your physical Revolut card on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.